Next, for Bitcoin, after bursting 100K dollar barrier,
Hmm.
Bitcoin's price has blasted through the much anticipated threshold of 100K dollars, raising questions about how much higher it could go and whether it can shake off its notorious volatility. The world's largest cryptocurrencies rose to around 103 $400 shortly after 4 GMT on Thursday before falling slightly. Dan Coatsworthy, investment analyst as AJ Bell, described it as a magic moment for the cryptocurrency and said it had a clear link to Donald Trump's election victory. Trump, look, Trump took to social media to celebrate the milestone, posting congratulations Bitcoiners, Bitcoiners, and you are welcome. The president elect had previously pledged to make the US the crypto capital and Bitcoin superpower of the world, helping to push Bitcoin's price higher once he was elected president. It broke through the 100K barrier after Trump said he would nominate former Securities and Exchange Commission SEC Commissioner Paul Atkins to run the Wall Street regulator. Mr. Atkins is seen as being far more pro cryptocurrency than the current head Gary Gensler. Clearly, there is anticipation that the new administration is going to be somewhat more favorable to crypto than the old administration was, said Andrew O'Neill, digital assets expert at S&P Global. So for the price of Bitcoin, I think that that's what's driven the trend so far, and it will likely continue into the new year, he added. However, Bitcoin has a history of sharp falls as well as rapid rises, and some analysts have continued that is unlikely to change. A lot of people have got rich from the cryptocurrency soaring in value this year, but this high risk asset isn't suitable for everyone, said Mr. Costworth. It's volatile, unpredictable, and is driven by speculation, speculation, none of which makes for a sleep at night investment. What is Bitcoin? Key crypto terms and what they mean. Bitcoin crosses 100K dollar and seven other wild moments in its history. The Trump effect. During the US presidential election campaign, Trump sought to appeal to cryptocurrency investors with a promise to shake Greg Gensler, chair of the US financial regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), on day one of his presidency. Mr. Gensler Gensler's approach to the cryptocurrencies sector has been decidedly less friendly than Trump's. He told the it was an industry rife with fraud and hacksters and grifters. Under his leadership, the SEC brought a record 46 crypto-related enforcement actions against firms in 2023. Mr. Chancellor said in November he would step down on 20 January, the day of Trump's inauguration. The choice of Paul Atkins to replace him at the helm of the SEC has been welcomed by crypto advocates. Mike Novogratz, founder and chief executive of US crypto firm Galaxy Digital, said he hoped the clearer regulatory path would now accelerate the digital currency ecosystem's entire into the financial mainstream. The value of Bitcoin has topped 100K. Bitcoin to US dollar 30 July 2010 to 5 December 2024. January 2012 0K dollar. January 2040 20K dollar. January 2060 40K dollar. January 2020 and January 2018 16K dollar. January 2022 18K dollar. January December 5 December 2024 100K dollar. Bitcoin has seen fewer drastic falls in value during 2024 than in previous years. In 2022, its price fell sharply below and $60,000 after crypto exchange FTX collapsed into bankrupt. A number of key events events besides Trump's victory in the election have helped boost investor confidence that its value will keep going up. The SEC approved several spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds